All right, baby. Come on. Let's eat. Let's eat, mommy. Let's eat. Lara's not been eating well, so we have to feed her. Let's eat, mama. You see the birdies outside. So we gotta give her the syringe to keep her hydrated. Oh, precious. Okay, let's go. Let's go, mama. Let's go. When Lara can't, good girl. Just the one tiny bit bite at a time. Good baby. Good baby. Good baby. Good baby. Let's clean you up. Gotcha. Good baby. We can do it. We can do it. Come on. You can do it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We can do it. We can do it. Come on. We can do it. Come on. Good baby. Good baby. We can do it. Come on, mommies. You gotta fight that. Whatever's going on in your lungs. I'm sorry, mommy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This thing's lasts about, from what I heard at the doctor when I took Smokey, it takes 7 to 14 days for this to pass. And now it's not even been on 7 days. Bless you, mommy. Bless you, mama. Bless you.
Really? I think Sofa needs same type of food.
Okay. I'll get him when I finish.
Through IV.
Mm-hmm.
He didn't need anything. Everybody else did, but he did.
Okay.
Well, hai sanoisin, cred că mânca vreo 4-5 bubițe.
I'll take care of him. Lara? Lara? Come on, mummies. Come on, Puyla. You can do this. You can do this. You can do this, mommy. Good girl. I love you. You're a fighter, mommy. You're a fighter. Yeah, you're a fighter. We're almost finished. We're almost finished. I say again. That's my baby. Asa, come on. That's my baby. That's my girl. See? Not really pushing hard on this. We're taking our time with her. We're taking our time with Lara. We're taking our time. This is part of loving the cat. Uh-oh. Stuff's coming out. Let's go put it in the mouth. We want all those drops in her mouth. That's right, Mama. That's right, Mommy. You can do it, Mama. You can do this. Gosh, she went more than half. And this is really watered down pate, but I want her to have some pate with mostly, like think maybe like 60-40. Okay, not quite 60-40, probably 65-35 water. Still. Come on, baby. One more time. We're gonna celebrate. Oh, my girl. My baby Lara. I love my Lara. You don't know how much I love you. Forever and ever. Forever and ever, mommy. Forever and ever. And her butt is sticking up. You just can't see it. I love my Lara. Forever and ever. Forever and ever. I love my Lara. There she comes out. There she comes out. Lara says, what are you doing? Look at that butt go up. I love my Lara. I love my Lara. I love my Lara. You ready? Come on. Come on, boo-boos. I love my Lara. I love my Lara. Sometimes we do things we don't want. I wish she would just eat, so I don't do this, but she don't want to eat. Good girl. Good girl. Look at that. Almost there. Smokey, you can't have this. No, you cannot have it. He wants the syringe. Oh, that's funny. Lara, come on, girl. Come on, mummies. Come on. You can do this. That's it. That's my girl. That's my baby. A little bit more. You're almost done, girl. Almost done, Mom. Let me get that whatever fell over here. You're sitting on it. There you go. Okay. Look at this. You're almost done. Look at that. Almost done, Mommy. This is one more portion. We're done. One more time. That's it. One more time. One more time, Mama. One more time. That's it. There you go. That's it, Mama. Bravo. Bravo. Oh, my. We finished Lara for now. Okay, thank you for watching. Say thank you. Say thank you for watching. I did good. I did good. Lara says I did good. Yeah, I did good. I love you.